morning and welcome back to my channel. I can truly say long time no see. It's partly my fault. I'm gonna put timestamps in this video, and then you can decide which part you want to watch and what not, because I've got new subscribers. Thank you so very much. I've got my 1,000. I'm standing on 1,000 right now, so that is all thanks to 1,000 lovely people in my life. So thank you so very much to you guys. But I thought this morning I just quickly have to say hi. I'm sitting in my car waiting for my mom. She went for a eye operation, so hopefully after today she will be able to see quite well again. So yes, pardon, it's not my studio that I usually are into, but I thought, if I'm not now, then it might just never happen. Okay, what happened to me? About 3 months ago, November, we went on holiday and I had my little crate with all my soap making oils in it, recording equipment and everything. So I planned, as I traveled through South Africa, because we traveled about 2,000 kilometers one way and then back again, I decided I'm going to make different soaps for different regions in our lovely country here. So I wanted to do in Free State, which is actually corn country. They really plant a lot of corn there. I wanted to make some soap with corn silk then and make a video for YouTube on that one. Then as we went through the Karoo, Karoo is really a dry region. I've got friends there. So I wanted to do something that's got to do with the specific plants there. I didn't really decide up front if I wanted to do a sunset soap or if I wanted to incorporate some of the plants that grow there. And then we actually traveled further. We went to Mossel Bay, and I wanted to do a sea salt or a seawater soap there. But unfortunately, they jammed my car locks and they stole all my recording equipment and everything out of my car. Some Christmas boxes that I bought for people. A lot of stuff. We lost quite a lot out of my car because everything was still in the car. We were still traveling. So that actually stopped me quite a while to be able to record YouTube videos. I bought a gimbal that I replaced for. So yeah, some of my equipment have been replaced, not all of it. So the recording quality might differ a little bit than in the past, but it should still be okay. Okay, so that is actually what happened while I was gone for 3 months. Except for the equipment that I had to replace, it's like a speed bubble in your road. It actually tripped me up a little bit. I got a little bit disheartened. Yeah, YouTube making and working in front of the camera is not my natural thing to do. Soap making is my natural thing to do. So for me, it was actually quite a challenge to just motivate myself to do this, which is actually quite out of my comfort zone. And when the recording equipment were gone, I thought, just stop it. Just give the whole thing over. And then some of you guys actually started to contact me and ask me where's the new video, and I thought, okay, maybe it does make a difference. So thank you for you guys that did contact me on the Facebook page and even on the channel, left messages for me and so on. You guys are actually the reason why I've got my, I think, second breath, and I'm gonna carry on. And then the other thing is, these 3 months I've got a lot of time to think, because this is a teaching channel. It's not really, there's a lot of lovely soap making channels out there that actually demonstrate different kinds of pours and so on. And from the beginning I thought, it's not really what I want to do. There is already lovely footage out there. There are lovely material, information on all of those things. So I would rather work with different kinds of oils, different things that you put in your soap, and teach you guys according to that, and help you to make choices on different ingredients in your soap, and sometimes different soap making methods and soap making equipment, DIY stuff. And I must say, there's only so much about soap making, DIY and so on that I can really share it with you. I thought up a few things like the soap scraper, which is not really 100% my idea. The credit card that I used, okay, if you haven't watched that video, I will leave a link in the description for you guys. And yeah, I used the credit card that I thought was my idea, but I've seen. You see, even my English is rusted because I haven't used English quite a while, for at least 3 months about. So pardon on that one as well. So yeah, but I thought, you know, from here on into the future, I want to do other stuff. Things in the world are changing, and there are more stuff than just soap that we will most probably need to make on our own. I know where I live in South Africa, lots of people do not even really have the money to go buy new oil. So I was thinking about making a used oil soap, which is definitely not something that you're going to make and sell. But if you have nothing and if you don't have the money to buy soap, then this might be an option to reuse oil. It's not going to be the best soap ever, but that's one of the ideas that I got. And then there are different other things that you can make from soap making ingredients as well. So I'm going to focus a bit on that. I'm going to try to stay within soap making ingredients, even though it's not maybe soap making as per se, but I think that will also help you guys to do more stuff yourself and be more self-sufficient. I think that is a very important thing these days, is to be able to help yourself with whatever you've got in your house. So yeah, I'm going to change a little bit. I'm going to move a little bit away from soap making or just pure soap making. I know plenty times people warn you, do not change the content of your channel. It's like a channel suicide. I really hope you guys are going to stick around furthermore. I'm going to enjoy doing a little bit, a few new things. So I really hope you guys are going to enjoy it as well. So I still invite you on my journey. Things are going to change a tiny little bit. If I run out of ideas on that, then maybe I'm just going to incorporate other stuff that I do at home. For examples, I do can my own vegetables and stuff. I do pressure canning. I do just normal canning with sugar and vinegar type of things. Build rocket stoves. I've got a lot of stuff that I learned over the years as we were living on farms and so on, that I think might actually help me today in the time that we are here now. In South Africa, we are back on load shedding, so we take turns to have electricity in our country. They have different levels of load shedding, level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 8. They are thinking about going up to 10. On level 2 and 3 load shedding, there's about 2 hours to 4 hours a time per day that we don't have electricity here. So there are times that I need different heat sources and so on. So I might just maybe share that with you guys as well from time to time. But yeah, the things are going to change a little bit. Thank you that you guys stuck with me. Again, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. There are all 1,000 of you. Thank you so very much. And anybody else that are joining us after this video, thank you for you guys as well. This really helps me to stay focused and just maybe motivate. It motivates me to carry on with this channel. So thank you. You guys are actually the most important part, because if it were not for you, I think I would have stopped at the second video and never even carried on. And I think to just celebrate 1,000 subscribers, the first 5 people that's gonna comment under this video, I will contact you and I will give you a free link to my soapmaking course, A to Z soap making at home on Udemy. And then if there's more people commenting, I might just maybe throw another freebie or something in there as well. So this is unplanned. I didn't really think this over with. So, but yes, the first 5 people commenting, I will definitely contact you guys, and then we will see from there on. And thank you so much again for sticking around. Have a lovely, blessed day, and happy soaping. Enjoy this journey.